How are you all? Hope everyone is doing fine. I'm very happy to see you back again in Jam channel. So today we are going to learn a craft work. Yes, everyone is excited about the craft work, right? Yes. Today we are going to learn something from the Bible and we are going to do the craft work. Okay, so I'll tell you a short story about the craft work. Yes. So, have you ever read about Genesis chapter 1? Yes. Today the craft work is based on the creation. Have you ever wondered how this world was created? Have you ever wondered how the skies, the sun, the stars, the moon, the land, animals, plants? Have you ever thought about how you and I were created? Yes. When there is a creation, there is a creator. Yes. So God has created everything. The heavens, the earth, the people, the animals, the birds, the skies, the water, everything that God has created us. If you read the chapter Genesis 1, you will come to know how God has wonderfully and beautifully created everything. Genesis 1 clearly says how the creation was done. Initially, when the earth was there, it was full of dark. So God said, "Let there be light." And immediately, the light came. You see, the light came, right? Yes. God created everything properly and in an orderly way. When God said something, it came into pass. God said, "Let there be light," and immediately the light came. So this was the creation that happened in day 1. On day 2, God created the skies and separated the waters. On day 3, God separated the waters and the land. And after the land was separated, the plants and the vegetation started. On day 4, God created the sun, the moon and the stars. So on day 5, God created the birds and the fishes. So God blessed them to be fruitful and multiply. So the fish, they were in the seas and the birds were flying across the skies. On day 6, in the land, God created the animals. The animals were created and they were everywhere. On the day 6, God created man. Yes, you and I are created on the day 6. God created man with his own hands. On day 7, God found everything was perfect and every creation work has been done. So God took rest on the day 7. On day 7, the entire creation work was completed. So God found the day 7 as a holiday and he rested on the day 7. So kids, let us see what are the things that we need to do for this craft. So we need some white papers, we need a bowl, we need glue, we need crayons, we need a scissor. Using this bowl, we are going to draw a circle and cut it. hope you understood how to do this craft, right? Yes. So you take up the materials and start doing this craft. So what do we learn from this creation? We learn two things. One is God's love, and the second one is the fellowship that we need to have with God. God's love. God has created us wonderfully. Yes. You may be tall, you may be short, you may be white, you may be dark, but God loves you whatever you are. Yes, because God has created us. You and I are His image. Yes. So always remember that you and I are a unique person and God loves us so much. And the second one is the fellowship that we need to have. Yes. So how many of you read the Bible and pray every day? I hope everyone is doing that. Very good. But always remember, you need to pray, you need to read the Bible. Only then you can walk along with God. Yes, God loves His children when they pray and when they read the Bible. Kids, I hope you enjoyed this video, and also I hope you have understood how to make this craft. So start preparing the craft and send us to the below mentioned email address. So see you all next time, and God bless you all. Bye.